Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be harvesting my beets from seed to harvest. Right now it's in the 80s, so the beets leaves are going to be a little wilted, but they take about 3 months from seed to harvest. The leaves are edible as well as the beetroot, and I basically just lift, and a lot of them, this is one here, a lot of times they can just pull right up. Sometimes you may need a shovel. And the beet seed, sometimes it's a cluster seed. So basically you'll have more than one seed in the cluster. And here we got two. And the leaves are a little twisted up. But these leaves are edible. A lot of people can cook them or saute them like spinach or Swiss chard. There. Well, this one is a little rotten in here, so this is a little overdone. The slugs got them. Here's a big mama. A lot of people don't like their beetroot to get that big. They say it gets a little woody. I like to juice mine, and they come in all different sizes sometimes. So here's some baby ones. I space mine about a foot apart, and I use rich compost soil. I use rabbit manure and leaf mulch and compost. And normally they do well. So I'm just going to keep going. And usually I can just gently pull them up. Shake off the dirt or the soil. And they look great. They look good. And the bug pressure wasn't that much. You know, the leaves are looking good. Here's another one. I have carrots in the background, and those will be soon to harvest, making more rooms for the carrots. And these are in raised beds, so they're really easy to pull up. I had a basket to put them all in, and then I just would rinse them off. Well, I don't know about getting them all in this basket, but I think these are the last two. You can succession plant, which is if you have a lot of space, you can pretty much every about 2 to 3 weeks, make a little trench and put your seeds in, and they'll be ready. So these I've succession planted, and they will continue to make more beets in a little while, as far as like another 2 months. So we'll see how they go because the heat's starting to pick up. But like I said, these are usually, where are the bad ones? I think I mixed them all up in here. So these kind of gotten hard and rotted and made a hole in them. So I'm going to separate those out. But they're very beneficial. Beetroots are very beneficial. They have they're high in antioxidants, high in high anti-inflammatory. They're great for your liver, your nervous system, your immune system, your blood. They're just excellent. So from the root to the top, they're all beneficial. So it's helpful to grow them, and they're fun. They're not hard to grow. I'm just going to clean these beets up and get ready to juice them. Thanks for watching.